Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can get your document on Google Docs back to its normal size. So let us get started and head over to Google Docs. As you can see, I created the example document like this one here, and it looks pretty messed up and pretty weird with that weird page setup. So what you want to do first, guys, to get your document back to its normal or default size is check if you haven't applied any zoom in or zoom out effect. To do that, click on that arrow down icon next to the current zoom here, and as you can see, I applied a 150% zoom effect. So simply switch back to 100%, and that's one thing you may do. The next step, guys, is check your page setup and paper size. To do that, click on File here in the top left corner, select Page Setup from the drop-down menu, and here inside your page setup, guys, click on that arrow down icon next to paper size to check which paper size you have selected. As you can see, I applied A5 paper size for the sake of this tutorial. So now I would like to switch back, for instance, to A4 or to letter, which should be the default paper size. And that's basically it. Click on OK here to confirm, and that is going to set your document basically back to the standard view and page setup. As you can see, it looks pretty normal now. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.